Good day, everyone. We are on day 8 of the Wolfe non-surgical course here in Australia. And today we're doing the pelvic clearance and the abdominal lift. So we just did the pelvic clearance, and it's really amazing what you feel come up from getting your pelvis worked, because no one's had it worked unless you've had the Wolfe non-surgical. And a lot of pretty much everybody in the class was very surprised at which side was more tender, or just the things that were coming up for them while getting it worked. It's really amazing to help clear that energy, and it's your root chakra. So if it's blocked, you really want your pelvic clearance worked. If you've had issues with your, any issues in the pelvis, this is a really amazing treatment to help you start to clear up some of those issues, along with, and we teach you how to do like the perfect day and other things you can be doing at home to help you with bringing life back to the pelvis and just keeping it healthy and lively. But this clearance is truly amazing. I was the demo for it, so it was interesting to see what kind of came up for me, which side was more intense feeling than the other, because it is a private area. It is an intense area that nobody really touches, or especially have an elbow being worked on it. So, but honestly, after, you feel so amazing, you feel lighter. And especially if you're having issues specifically in the pelvic region, you really want to get a pelvic clearance done from a Wolfe non-surgical practitioner, because literally the clearance that happens is truly amazing, and you feel so much better after. So we are actually doing a pelvic restoration disease prevention masterclass, which is 3 days for women only here in Australia. And our last stop of the year will be Bonita Springs, Florida this October. So if any of you ladies out there would like to either learn how to prevent pelvic issues or restore pelvic issues you're having, we would love to have you join us. You can go to bhnuniversity.com to check out dates and locations. And our next courses in 2024 will be Puerto Rico, Kelowna, Barrie, and Texas. So again, those dates you can check out on the website. And yeah, we hope you will come and join us. We teach you how to help bring life back to your pelvic, your sacred temple, and give you the tools and strategies, and also teach you the things that you can be doing to help heal yourself naturally, and how to self-examine what's going on with you instead of relying on somebody else to do that for you, because we should have the power to do that for ourselves. So if you would like to join us, you can check out bhnuniversity.com, and we would love to have you. My number is 705-984-1699. You can WhatsApp me or Telegram me if you have any questions, or I also do Perfect Day Consultations, so you can check that out at docofdetox.com/consultations. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I will hopefully see you in one of the courses.